dear friends, welcome to Indian Herbal and Ayurvedic Remedies. I am with you, Pradeep. Friends, today in this video I will show you another homemade glycerin soap. Now how to make homemade glycerin soap. Today is orange glycerin soap. Now orange glycerin soap, it brightens your complexion and makes your skin fairer. In other words, you may call it a complexion bar. Now friends, believe me that from the day we have started, me and my wife who have started using these homemade soaps, they are awesome. And if you do that, if you use them once, you will never go to the market to buy any other soap. So friends, let's move on and see that how we can prepare this very beautiful and aromatic orange glycerin soap. It's pure and natural. Now to make this soap, first take fresh orange peels and put it in a blender. Cut the orange peel into small pieces and put them into a blender, and we will make a paste. As you can see, we have made the orange peel paste. Now take 2 tablespoons of orange peel paste. Now add to it 1 teaspoon of olive oil. Now add to it 1 vitamin E capsule. Again add to it half teaspoon of aloe vera gel. And now mix all these ingredients very well. Mix these ingredients very well. So all the ingredients should mix thoroughly. Now take 1 glycerin soap bar and just cut them into small cubical pieces. Now remember friends that the percentage of glycerin in this bar should be very high. Now cut this into small pieces like this. Now take boiling water and put the cubical glycerins into it in a separate container and hold it, and you will see that it will start to melt. See, it's starting to melt. See friends, the glycerin has almost melted. Now add to this melted glycerin the preparation that we have made. Now friends, this soap will not only keep your skin moisturized all day, but will also make your complexion fair. It will brighten up your skin and give you a very glowing look. Now mix this preparation very well with the melted glycerin. Now take a soft plastic container and oil brush it. Now pour this into this container, and you have to leave it overnight to solidify. Keep in room temperature, no need to refrigerate. Now friends, this has solidified into a beautiful solid soap bar. It's so glossy and it's emitting a beautiful aroma, and it's ready for use. So friends, I hope you have liked watching this video, and keep watching my videos. Thank you. Thanks for watching. If you like our videos, please like and share.